everybody. It's Miss Sherry from the library. Follow me for a story. When sheep cannot sleep. The Counting Book by Satoshi Kitamura. One night, a sheep called Wooly could not sleep. "I'll go for a walk," he said, and wandered off down the meadow. He chased a butterfly until it flew away behind a tall green tree. One beautiful butterfly. There, on the tree trunk, were two ladybirds, fast asleep. "I'm still wide awake," thought Wooly. One ladybird, two ladybird. "Hoo-hoo, hoo," called the owls. "Time to go home." Let's count the owls. One owl, two owl, three owl, three owls. "It's our time to come out," said a family of bats flittering overhead. One bat, two bat, three bat, four bat. Four bats. "Apples," said Wooly. "I knew it was time for something, but they are too high up for me." "How many apples do you see in that tree? Shall we count together?" 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. "Try climbing," said the squirrels. "Can't," said Wooly. "There's a ladder," said the squirrels. Let's count the squirrels in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the squirrels on the ground. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squirrels. They were right. Wooly put the ladder against the apple tree and climbed rung by rung until he could reach the sweet red apples. How many steps do you see on the ladder? Let's count from the bottom of the ladder all the way to the tippy top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was a lovely, calm evening, and Wooly was not a bit sleepy. Fireflies were dancing in the air. Let's count the fireflies from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fireflies. And grasshoppers were singing in the long grass. There are a lot of grasshoppers. Can you find them all and count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 grasshoppers. Wooly climbed to the top of a hill to look at the view. Suddenly, flashing lights zipped across the sky. Wooly was very scared. "Look at all those lights. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He ran as fast as he could to hide amongst the trees, jumping over red tulips as he went. Let's count those tulips from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What a terrible fright, he panted. Where am I? In front of him was a house with lots of windows. Let's take a closer look at this house and its windows. Let's count the windows together, beginning from the bottom, working our way to the second floor, and then all the way to the tippity top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 windows. The front door was open, so we went in. There were lots of doors, too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 doors. In one of the rooms, he found some colored pencils. Good, said Wooly. I'll do some drawing. Take a moment to count all the colored pencils that you see on his desk. He was so pleased with his pictures that he hung them on the wall. Let's count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pictures. I'm hungry again, said Wooly. He went into the kitchen and cooked himself some nice green peas. Can we count those peas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 green peas. He took them into the dining room. I'm late for supper, he thought. Take a moment to count the chairs, too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 chairs. Let's go around the table and count the empty plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 empty plates and 1 plate of green peas. For a total of 18 plates. Now for a bath, said Wooly, with lots of bubbles. Can you take a moment to count all those bubbles? Start from the bottom and go all the way up to the top, the tippity top. Did you count 19 bubbles? I think there are 19 bubbles. Next door was a little bed with a pair of pajamas laid out neatly on it. Stars are out already, thought Wooly. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 stars. Perhaps I'll just lie down in case I feel sleepy. He began to think. He thought about his mother and his father and his sisters and brothers and uncles and aunts. What were they doing? Were they already asleep? His family and friends went round in his head. His eyes closed. That's a lot of sheep. Can you count them all? Take a moment and count them. Did you count 21? 21 sheep. Wooly was fast asleep. How many Z's do you see? Take a moment and count them. Did you see 22 Z's? 22 Z's. Good night, the end. When sheep cannot sleep, the counting book. Well, I'll be. It's Clementine. Hi, Clementine. Yes, let's share a song with everybody. Ready? Here we go. Everybody knows that sheep like to count before they go to sleep. Sheep like to count before they go to sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, let's take a break, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! Now, we need to go to sleep. Until next time, be well.